Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send crypto on Binance. First, log in to your Binance account and head over to your spot wallet. From there, you'll select the withdraw option for the specific cryptocurrency you wish to send. Make sure to choose Send via Crypto Network as your transfer method, especially when sending to an external wallet or another Binance user's wallet. Next, you'll need to accurately input the recipient's wallet address. This is a crucial step, so double-check every character. Then, select the correct network for your transaction. It's vital that the network you choose matches the network the recipient is expecting, otherwise, your funds could be lost. Always verify all the details carefully before moving forward. Before you finalize, take a moment to review the transaction summary. This includes the amount you're sending and any associated network fees. After confirming these details, you'll need to complete the necessary security verification steps, such as two-factor authentication. Once all checks are complete and you're confident, confirm the transfer to initiate the sending process. Once confirmed, your transaction will begin processing. The time it takes for the funds to arrive in the recipient's wallet can vary depending on the network congestion. You can always monitor the status of your transaction in your Binance transaction history. And hey, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Happy sending!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.